Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we explained the default cover page. In this section, we will explain default programs. Default programs are predefined groups of routes where each route represents a separate day of an itinerary, including its city and bus service. These programs can later be used in both quotation and reservation files to quickly build itineraries without entering routes manually for each day. To access this section, go to the left-hand side menu, click Quotation, then Defaults, and select Program. The Programs window will open. On the left-hand side, you will find a list of all predefined default programs. These templates are commonly used in incoming itineraries and quotation programs. To edit an existing program, simply select one from the list. For example, Jordan Adventure 7 days/6 nights and adjust it as needed. To create a new default program, start by clicking New, then enter the program name. For example, Jordan Adventure 3 days/2 nights. You can also add notes if needed, then click Save. Once saved, the system will automatically generate a serial number for the program. Now we can start adding the days of the itinerary. Click the green plus button to add day 1. Select the route name for quotation, for example, Amman Airport, then Amman Overnight, and the system will automatically pull the same route name for the incoming module in free text. Next, choose the city, for example, Amman. And for the bus service, choose Airport Transfer. Finally, click Save. Repeat the same steps for the following days. For day 2, select the route name. For example, Amman Full Day Visit, then Amman Overnight. Then define the city as Amman. Define the bus service as Full Day, and click Save. Then repeat the process for day 3. Add the route name, Amman Hotel, then Amman Airport for departure, and continue, then click on Save. When defining the routes inside a default program, you can assign routes for both quotation and reservation modules, if both modules are active in the system. The routes with all of their details can be extracted into quotation once imported in the Program tab in Quotation. Also, the route name for incoming is used for the reservation module to be imported as a free text. The route or the incoming module will be extracted automatically from the quotation route if defined here, as we saw earlier in this video, and it can be adjusted here or later when the program is used inside the reservation file. Once all days are defined, the default program is ready to be used in both quotation and reservation modules, helping users build itineraries quickly and efficiently. This completes Section 2 of Part 2 of Phase 4. In the next video, we will explain the default transportation plan. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.